And we've got a brand new show on 1011 Strong. It's called Report to Murphy, and this guy is Murphy. His real name is Michael Keaton. Michael Keaton, answer question
My real name
numbers.
is Michael Douglas.
Michael, oh, you're related to the senator.
No. What senator?
In 1982, Michael Keaton was a couple years removed from his sitcom with Jim Belushi. Yeah, a show called Working Stiffs. A funny and somewhat silly show that was canceled after just 4 episodes. But network executives could see Michael Keaton had star power. And even though he was still years away from becoming Batman, Beetlejuice, or even the guy who yells, "You want to get nuts?" they decided to give him another sitcom. This time as a parole officer. And this didn't turn out much better. 6 episodes. Yeah, 6. As in, you could watch the entire series before your Hot Pocket finishes cooling. Anyway, today I'm diving into the quick disappearance of Report to Murphy, a sitcom that arrived quietly, left quietly, and somehow still managed to feature a cast full of future stars. Oh, I can explain. Paul here, actor and former radio host. Report to Murphy premiered on CBS in April of 1982 and wrapped by the end of May. Yeah, it was a mid-season sitcom about a well-meaning parole officer named Murphy, played by a young Michael Keaton, who was still early in his career and he hadn't yet become a household name. The premise, it was a good one and simple. Murphy tries to keep his parolees on the straight and narrow, all while navigating the absurdities of bureaucracy, human behavior, and the occasional questionable life decision. It was kind of like Barney Miller, but a bit more silly.
Then Report to Murphy premieres when this parole officer tries to set these ex-cons straight.
Bacon on Thursday?
I don't think I can.
Thursday's good.
Private Benjamin and the premiere of Report to Murphy tonight.
He certainly promoted the show. Here's Michael Keaton talking about it in an interview with Letta Powell Drake.
Why do you want to be a parole officer?
In a television show?
Yes.
Or in life?
Both. Yes. Both of the above.
In a television show, I think it's a great area. I think it's just a very interesting, funny area. Potentially funny area. Don't you?
Okay. Now in the television show.
Well,
You said you were going to answer. You were going to answer it 2
in
ways.
life?
In real life, and the television.
Okay, here's
show.
the first answer to the first question. In life?
Yeah.
I don't.
In life, he wants to be an actor, and that's what he's doing. He's a comic actor.
And then he went on Letterman about it, where he was a bit more casual.
Tell me about your new series, Report to Murphy.
Report to Murphy. We did it,
Michael, sit up. Look how you're slouching.
November. He's right. He is right. We did it in November. We shot in November, and then I remember we did 4. We actually started out with 4. And, no, we did the pilot, and then they said, why not shoot 5 more of those suckers? CBS says.
Yeah, CBS usually uses suckers,
like suckers. Whereas NBC. And we did 5 of them, and they're real good, and it starts April 5th on Monday.
Who else in the extravaganza?
Nobody, just me.
Just you?
Just me.
Just you.
The rest of the cast was pretty good, too. Of course, Michael Keaton was a future A-lister. He appeared in all 6 episodes. And then you had Donnelly Rhodes, a veteran character actor who popped up in everything from soap to Battlestar Galactica. There was Olivia Cole, an Emmy winner from Roots. Jonathan Banks, who would later play Mike in Breaking Bad and Better Call Saul. And even Dan Hedaya, a future Nick Tortelli from Cheers and the dad from Clueless. So what happened? The ratings weren't actually that bad. I have more clips, and I'll give you the rating numbers in just a moment. First, please like and subscribe. Become a member, too, like our 2 newest members right here. Oh, and back to the show. Despite the talent, the show struggled to find an audience. Yeah, ratings were kind of low, but not enough to nuke it now low. It finished 55th place out of 105 shows, so middle of the pack-ish. And it finished ahead of shows like WKRP, Mork and Mindy, and Benson. But it just quietly went away. No scandal, no dramatic cancellation, no angry letters from viewers. It was just gone. Here was the open.
Hey, I'm talking to you, pal. You're dealing with the meanest parole officer in this district. If you mess up one time, I'm gonna send you back to the slammer to make license plates. You got that? Get out of here.
Not bad, right? Even with its short run, the show managed to snag a Primetime Emmy. Well, a nomination. And yeah, not for acting or writing, it was for videotape editing. But still, not bad for a show that lasted about as long as a carton of milk. Because it aired in spring as a mid-season replacement, many viewers didn't even realize that it existed until it was already gone. So why talk about Report to Murphy now? Well, because it's a perfect snapshot of early 80s network TV. Experimental, chaotic, full of future stars trying to break through. It's also a reminder that even the biggest actors, yes, even Batman, fail multiple times before really breaking through. So let me ask you this. Do you remember this show? Did you watch it at all? Please be honest. Let me know all your thoughts. If you enjoyed this dive also into forgotten TV history, stick around. There's plenty more where this came from. Oh, like my video about the short-lived We Got It Made. Not a bad show. Right here.